assignment in the new quizzes with Canvas. Find your course that you want. I'm going to use this one with the cat in the box. In your home page, or on your page on the left, you'll see the toolbar. And to start this quiz, you'll want to go to Assignments and add a new assignment on the top right. Add assignment. Okay, my assignment is going to be a reading, and I have the reading ready, so I'm going to click on the reading and just copy and paste. My title is How We Eat Our Meals. I think it helps to have everything ready to go, and it's just assembly. You do not need anything in the space below. Continue down. You determine if you want points. You can have points and still not count towards the final grade, where you click Do Not Count Assignment for Final Grade, or oftentimes I'll just have 0 points. Just to be very clear to the student, this is pure practice. If you have groups and assignments, you can assign it to one of the groups. I'll do a reading test. Reading section. Scroll down to Submission Type and click on External Tool, and there you're going to scroll down and find the tool that you want for new quizzes, or now it's called Quizzes 2. It's alphabetical. Here's the problem. There are 3 that look similar: Quick Check, Quizlet, and Quizzes 2. You want the Quizzes 2. And select. Now, that's all you need to do is the first stage of setup. Unless you want to have the time that it's open and closed and a due date, then do that right now. I'm just going to continue on to save. I'm not ready to publish. And save will put me right into the tool, the assignment building right away. And there on the left, you can see build. There's my title. So it's good to get the title in right away. I can include instructions. That can be helpful if you have specific instructions, and read the text. In fact, let's see if I have no instructions. Then the plus button means adding any reading or adding any questions. Click on the plus button, and here you can add content or certain types of questions. The first thing I'm going to do is add my story, and that's actually plus stimulus at the bottom, the last choice. I click on stimulus. You need a title. Again, I'm just going to copy and paste. There it is. Instructions, that's a choice if you want. Generally, I do not have instructions, but it's up to you. Maybe it's a specific kind of task. Then I will copy the whole text that I want and paste in the window. Now, I suggest once you get that first text or item in there, scroll down and save. This can be a very sensitive tool, and suddenly it just goes back to the assignment list, and if you do not save, you lose it. So make sure that you always scroll to the very bottom. You here see, if you're working, save the stimulus. Now I see that I think this text is really small, so I'm going to go and just change the size of the text with the Edit tool. I'm not happy with size 11, so I will change it to size 12 here with this toolbar. And again, save, save, save. Right at the bottom, save stimulus. Looks a little better. Okay, now that I have my text in, I can start adding the different kinds of questions with attach question. I want to show that this question will go with this text, how we eat meals. You can have a variety of texts with their matching questions. On my original test, the first was a matching of the main idea to the paragraph. Okay, let's look at matching kind of questions. Then I have a multiple choice question, and then I have a fill-in question. So we will attack those 3 kinds of questions first.